Hi guys, I'm trying to get us set up for the next couple of weeks with a new version of that simulator game board. I wasn't completely happy with all the boards that they made available to us in KISS, so I dug into the documentation and realized that you can build your own boards. So I did that. I made a board that we're going to be using, but I need to walk you through the steps of getting that game board file onto your C drive and linking it up with your next project file. So that's the purpose of this video. I am going to jump into presentation mode so you can watch me go through the steps here. The first step is you'll see on Classroom this post, which is going to have the new board.board file. That's the board we're going to use. And then it also has this set of directions that you don't even have to watch the video. If you want to just go through and use this as your guide, you can certainly do that as well. But I just wanted to give some of you guys who maybe want to just do it with a video, you have the option. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to grab this file, and I'm going to open that up and choose to download it. And that throws it onto my little system tray down here in the browser to tell me I downloaded this file. That's actually in my downloads folder on my C drive. Now I want to, I'm just going to do this as if we're starting it from scratch. Now I want to open up the KISS IDE 5.2.2 where our simulator lives. I'm going to create a new project, and we'll call this Challenge 2. And I want to make note of where this folder is being stored. This is where all of my KISS projects are being stored locally. This is on my C drive users Xavier folder. I can navigate to that using Windows Explorer to find this folder. That's going to be important later. So I say OK, and I've already made that. So they're asking me if I want to overwrite it. And then I'm going to, this is the actual name of the C file that we're going to be creating. So I'll call that also Challenge 2, maybe Challenge 2 main, make a hello world file and say OK. So here's where I'm going to be coding the document, and you'll notice here this is the Challenge 2 project folder, and my main is inside the folder, and I need to get that board file in here, this new board.board file in here in the Challenge 2 folder. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go to my Windows Explorer folder, and I'm going to go to my computer, local C, users, Xavier, and here is my Challenge 2 folder. So if I open that up, all I need to do is just drag this file in here, and now my new board file is in there with Challenge 2 main. That's the goal. And I can click here, and there's my new board.board. And if I compile that and send it to the simulator, it's going to launch the simulator, and there's my new board. And I can just change the size of this. And this is the board that we're going to be using for the next several challenges. So the first step is to get that working and get it all set up. Now when I go back to my code document in KISS, I can switch back to Challenge 2 main and compile that. And that should send automatically to this new board. Can reset and run, and I'm looking for hello world up here, and there it is. Okay, so we're ready to go, ready to start coding this little guy and get him moving around in the new board. Okay, let me know in the emails or in the comments if you're having any issues, and I'll work those out with you. Okay, good luck.